Hey Razorbacks! Today we are going to set up our writing portfolios. Now, there are some of you that already have your portfolio set up, and there are some of you that need to set up your portfolio. We will start with the setup and then we will transition to the addition. Go to www.google.com. Once you're here, you're going to access your Waffle or your Google Apps on the top right. Once you are there, go ahead and click Drive, just like we did the other day with Google Docs. Now that I am here, I'm going to click New, Folder. I'm going to title my folder Writing Portfolio. And click Create. I have now created my writing portfolio right here. From here, you are going to go ahead and go into that portfolio and we're going to share it once again. Click down, then click share. And you're going to send this to your teacher. So let's say, for example, in this lesson, Miss Patterson is my teacher. I'm going to select Miss Patterson. I'm going to make her an editor, and then I'm going to click send. Furthermore, while I am in here, I'm going to go New, Folder, and then I'm going to title folder for the grade that I am in. So if I am in 6th grade, I will title my folder 6th grade. If I'm in 7th grade, 7th grade, and then in 8th grade, 8th grade. Miss Patterson will be able to see any folder or document that I placed in here, which is fine. Now, let's say, for example, I have already set up my writing portfolio. So let's say Miss Dixon is a 8th grader who was here last year and I set up my writing portfolio. I'm going to go to www.google.com. I'm going to go to my Waffle or Google Apps. I'm going to go to Google Drive. You should see your writing portfolio at the top in your folders section. However, if you do not, you can always search in your drive for writing portfolio. Once you locate your writing portfolio, go ahead and enter, and then you will proceed to creating a new folder for your grade level. New folder. Let's say I am in 7th grade. Again, don't forget to share this with your teacher. So writing portfolio, share, and then your teacher. Let's say in 7th grade, Ms. Jasinski is my teacher. I will make sure she is an editor, and then I will click send. This will give her access to my folder here. Now, if you would like to do so, you can choose, if for example I'm a 7th grader and I already have a 6th grade folder, I may choose to just share my 7th grade folder with my 7th grade teacher. If you choose to do that, that is okay. Just go ahead and ensure that you are in that 7th grade folder and then click the drop down and then share. And it will go ahead and send to your teacher. So that is how you set up your writing portfolio. This is where you will house your writing for the class. Now we are going to transition to a quick write. Hope you have a great day. Bye, Razorbacks.